Hey, just want to do a public service announcement. USB-C, a little bit different than the previous versions of USB. You think back and it's like, okay, you got ground power data, like a 4-pin or something. Yeah, this has got 24 pins. And different specs are, it's kind of interesting. They're some are assigned specific things, but some like can be used for other things. If you think of like, I don't know, like in terms of a processor, you have very specific registers, but then you have like general purpose registers, like in assembly and stuff. But yeah, you can carry video, audio, network data, and power, and it's crazy. This USB-C 2, 20 volts at 5 amps. So watts is volts times amps. This is 100 freaking amps, or 100 amps, 100 watts. Yeah, 100 amps would be like, I don't know, 6 of those, and you're doing car battery type of stuff. But you can carry 100 watts, and that's plenty to solder. Like, I got a little pencil soldering iron and was able to melt stuff onto the back of my windshield, 400 some degrees, no problem. But yeah, data 10-20 gigabits a second, alternate, bidirectional, audio, whatever. I'm assuming like multi-channel digital audio. Other stuff. Anyway, so what am I getting at here? It's not your basic 4-wire thing. It's circuitry and a bunch of wires negotiating how and what they're gonna do. And that means some of these companies with not very good quality control, like, might not, do them correctly or even at all, right? Because like, the more stuff you put in, the more it'll cost. So yeah. Anyway, kind of what I'm getting at is like, I wanted a basic power cable, but if the cable can do other stuff, heck yeah. And that's kind of what it is. Like, you're pushing all these things through cable. Anyway, where that takes us to is this guy, Benson Lung. And he's a Google engineer, but he bought a cheapy cable and then fried his Chromebook, and that's real bad. So then he kind of went on a crusade to like start doing public tests and reviews, and that's cool. Like, I wanted to access this stuff, but there wasn't really any, like, this happened in 2016. And a lot of the stuff died down. He put it into, Google Plus, and that doesn't, Google Plus doesn't exist. So, I'm like, well, how about an updated list? I couldn't really find it. Like, someone else has started one, but it was kind of like empty. And then you're like, did the shills or scrolls or whatever get in there. You don't know. So I just go back to his list. Let's do. That's not. But anyway, he did. He did reviews, and I found a lot of them were not available anymore. But there were like 2 or 3 that were still available. So I was like, okay, I'll just like if he confirmed that, give a seal approval, then I'll buy it or whatever. You know, it's 5 years old. It might be junk. It might be a bad cable that just got returned to the warehouse and then whatever. But I'm okay with that. You know, the next thing is, well, if I can't get any new stuff, like how can I test my own? It's like used the advanced cable tester. I was like, sweet. I want to do that too. Oof, you know, that's a car right there. You know, not gonna be able to. So I don't know. I don't have any bulletproof advice. No, you can take your chances with Amazon reviews and the shells and stuff. You know, you have more, so you get a better distribution, but not 100% sure. I want to say, like, the best thing is if you don't need it right away, probably get it from like a trustworthy manufacturer. People say like Belkin, and think of the one that begins with whatever for cables. But some reputable vendor. I feel like some people also said that they've done like some recent videos said that they also have done that, but they found like a reputable vendor give them junk. So again, I don't have anything bulletproof, but if anything, I kind of want to at least have this in the back of your mind, so that maybe you don't buy the cheapest thing, but also if you use it for power, data, whatever, like do a little bit of testing on maybe something cheaper before putting it into your expensive stuff, A, and then B, like if it doesn't fry it, then maybe see if it's actually spec'd out to what they say it is or isn't. And if not, like, post tons of comments. Make sure it's heard. Anyway, that's all I got for you now. My cable's not coming in for a couple days, but hopefully it's good, knock on wood. So anyway, that's all I got. Just want to bring that to your attention. Public service announcement. So all right. Yeah, still don't have a tagline, so goodbye.